I'm standing here in the garage next to the 67 C10 barn find after finally getting oil up to the rockers in the freshly re-ringed 250 straight 6. And we have oil pressure now, as you can tell by looking at the wall behind me. And at the very last minute, because I have to have a kid at a game soon, and I'm starting to realize that we actually need more time than I thought we did, because I should probably take a shower if I'm going to be around humans. But that's what you get to see here on Freeman's Garage Extra, the behind the scenes channel of Freeman's Garage. Stuff that some people might not have an appetite for, but hopefully you do. What's a guy got to do to have a charged battery around here? I ran out of time, of course, but I'm back. What the... Oh, come on. You tangled little minx, you. Oh! Warmed up now, so we're going to go ahead and set the timing first with the vacuum advance plug. Sounds like she's at about 4 degrees or so, and we're going to bump her up anywhere between 8 and 10. Alright, the timing's set at about 8 degrees advance, and then I set the idle to where it sounded fine to me. And now, let's tune this carb with the vacuum cleaner. I mean the vacuum gauge. Abort, abort, abort. Now we grab our screwdriver out of our factory screwdriver hole. And we are going to turn the air mixture screw right here in all the way until it bottoms out. And then we'll turn it out, back it out, 2 turns, let's say. And then we're gonna fire the engine up, and we're gonna turn that mixture screw out as we watch the needle on this gauge, which by the way is a professional vacuum gauge. It says so right on the plastic box in broken English, so I'm sure we'll get NASA accurate measurements. And we'll try to get that needle to stay up as high as possible. And when that happens, that's when we stop playing around with screws on here. We might have to adjust the idle a little bit too while we're doing this. We'll find out. It gets hot in these rhinos. Let's see what happens. Gotta remember I have a turning fan under my arm. Ew, she likes it going in. I guess maybe probably about there. Yeah! All right, there you have it. That's behind the scenes. Link is in the description to see the test drive over on Freeman's Garage. And I bet you this thing blows up as soon as we hit the highway. But man, it's hotter than a tamale in here.